Hi, this is Mariano from Fabric. In this video I will show you some new features from our map widgets and some new features from the text formatting blocks. So I will start, I just created a new dashboard using the widget maps. After I record this video it will be available in the load example section so you can play with it. So to show the new features I will create a new open layers map, leave everything as default. I will need a transformer, and to generate some events I will use the sample event source and leave everything as default. Let's connect them. And here I will use node templates, data view, map open layers. Required are latitude and longitude, and optional. In this case we will be setting some icon, a label, and one of the new features is description. We need the ID, so if we set twice a marker with the same ID, the old one will be removed. So we will get the latitude and longitude from value, city, lat, and long, which is not related to the country fields here. So if you see some weird name and weird location, they are not related. It's just sample data. So we set value dot city dot lat, value dot city dot long. The icon, it can be a path to any image on the internet. On Fabric we have on the image status folder one name ok.png and others I will show you later. For the label we will use the name of the category of the sales data we are generating. On ID we will use ID, and on description we will start with something simple like some text here, and we will go from there. So I click OK. Here I will set the layout to full screen and view mode. Since the city positions are from big cities with big populations, mostly of them will be on Asia. So here we can see the OK icon, the name as a label, and if I click I get an overlay with some text here. Let's use some formatting for that. So we will go back here, and the second new feature, it's on the text formatting section. We used to have bold and italic and the one below, but now we have a level 1 title, level 2 title, and new line. Let's use them. So here we will create a text that is composed of many sections. We will start with using formatting a level 1 title that will have the name that we are displaying on the label. Then we can add any formatting. For example, we can use some bold and here put country name, for example. Then we can add new lines, and let's add a flag, the flag of the country. So here I will remove this, and on formatting we have also the new line. One new line is just one new line, and if we add two, the text that follows is considered a new paragraph, so it will have more spacing. And finally, in formatting, we used to use this on the new sticker demos, image from, and here we can use what we use there, which is the country code to flag URL. Leave this. So if we go back and we clear this and click here, we can see we have the name as a title, then some space, bold the country name, and then the flag. And finally, what we can do, for example, just to show, we will replace this text here in bold for a link. So we go to text, formatting, link, and we will leave it as it is. Maybe we can set the name to the country name, but we will take to the Fabric site for now. We can create our link here, and finally we clear this and we can see we have a link there, which on the bottom left takes us to Fabric. And something maybe useful to show here is we could adapt this set color by threshold template here. Instead of setting the color, we can set the icon here. So we take this out, we paste it here, remove this, and we can set OK, warning, and error. Remove this, and now if I clear, we can see the icon. In this case, values go from 0 to 100, so for some time they will be all errors. So we can change, well, actually random, so they get different icons. And now we get green, now we get an error, and if I click here, I get what we did before. So as you can see, it's pretty flexible. You can use your own markers, your own labels, and write some content here with our new formatting blocks, even have links and images. I hope you liked it. If you have some feedback, comment on the YouTube comment section, or talk to us on Twitter, Facebook, or send us an email and tell us what you need to make this better. And as I said, it will be available on the templates and examples, so you will be able to play with this and see what you can do. Bye.